Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headlines. So, first of all, budget 2023-24 key expectation in a pre-poll year. Next, on crypto watch. Then on page number 2, in that, what high revenues mean for budget 2023. On page number 3, in that, economic survey sees FY24 GDP growth slowing to 6.5%. Next, 6.5% is not fanciful number CEA. Next, HNI institutional investors help Adani FPO sale through. Next, Adani Groups acquires Israel's Haifa port for $1.2 billion. Next, recovery under IBC negligence in questionable transactions. Next, Vedanta is set to scrap plans to sell Sterlite chopper plant in Tamil Nadu. Next, the world's next big inflation surprise is looming in China. Next, fiscal deficit close to 60%, core output up. Next, GST mop-up rises to second highest. Next, footballs for Hindi film slump up to 50%. On page number 14 in economy and policy section under that, Udan is giving birth to regional airlines, aviation minister, Supreme Court India. Next, Vodafone Idea reauthorizes ATC debenture issue after miss. Next, Jindal Steel profit drops in quarter 3 has export tax bites. Next, DMRC get final chance to repay arbitration award. Next, Reserve Bank partially relaxes restrictions on SBM Bank. Next, Morbi strategy MD of firm operating bridge surrenders. Next, interest free loans to states may continue in capex drive. Next, Omicron and sub lineages still on top, says Genomics body. Next, poverty elevations is focus for government Murmu. Next, fiscal discipline translate to stimulus. Next, India on track to meet SDG target has over 400 million exit property. On page number 5 in deal tech and startup section under that, government backed open 4G has over 10,328 user economic survey. Next, mobile phone PC shipments set to fall again in 2023 Gartner. Next, Ready Assist acquires two-wheeler servicing co Speed Force for $10 billion. Next, Ashish Kacholia invest in Orbis Financial. Next, ICICI Venture likely to exit Anthea in majority stake sale. Next, firms look to ChatGPT for new tech solution. Next, engineers should pursue innovation, not just coding. Next, digital tech powering economic reforms. Next, laptops get AI chip, smart software engines to boost efficacy. On page number 7 in mark to market section under that, in mint short, foreigners scoop up China shares with record chain inflow. Next, South Africa left out of EM bond rally as power crisis hurts economy. Next, orders brighten the day of L&T. Next, Westlife Foodworld's December quarter is expectedly appetizing. Next, center state governments collect rupees 1.56 trillion GST in January. Next, HNI QIB help Adani FPO sale through. Next, equity mutual fund to shift to T plus 2 redemption. Next, payments by digital means grow 24% till September and RBI. Next, fiscal deficit near 60% of full year target, core output rises. Next, on page number 8 in corporate section under that, hotels body 6 infra status tax soups from budget. Next, make my trip turns profitable has travel demand improves. Next, Scanity IBC recovery in fishy deals. On page number 9 in corporate section under that, export to slow, need to enter new markets. Next, 6.5% is not a fanciful number CEA. Next, E-commerce market to grow at 18% in India, says survey. Next, survey calls for new mineral policy extending coal uses. Next, survey sees FY24 GDP growth slowing to 6.5%. Next, India set to emerge as a global growth leader. On page number 10 in corporate section under that, Coal India net profit up 70% on high demand. Next, CIL 6 note to raise investment cap in JVs. Next, Hero Motor rolls out Exum to take on scooter market rival. On page number 11 in corporate section under that, Axis AMC eyes rupees 3000 crore from new fund offer. Next, OPEC plus cautious over China rebound, Russia sanctions. Next, JSPL NTPC among 59 companies javing for 36 coal blocks. On page number 13 in news wrap section under that, Reliance stops local petcoke sales. Next, big stakeholders of Indra IVF may exit. Next, unruly Vistara passenger arrested. Next, IISER unravels genetic makeup of four native Indian cow breeds. Next, Wilmar to stand up venture with Adani. Next, Vedanta is set to scrap plans to sell a Sterlite Cooper plant in Tamil Nadu. Next, Pronunciation guide for 800 Indian words. Next, Gale eyes long-term gas import deals. Next, Indian oil post rupees 448 crore profit. Next, Sun Pharma quarter 3 profit up by 5.2%. Next, India Mart figures in notorious market list. Next, ready for the budget. Then I comes to page number 14 in global section under the admin short section. Biden says no F-16 fighter jet for Ukraine has Russia claims gain. Next, White House to end COVID-19 emergency declaration on May 11. Next, FTX sues Voyager Digital to claw back $446 million in loan payments. Next, China's electric vehicle giant BYD in talk to acquire insurers YIAN. Next, Boeing to delivery last 747, the plane that democratized flying. Next, the race of the AI labs heats up. Next, the world's next big inflation surprise is looming in China. Next, Italy's economic contracts by 0.1% in quarter 4. On page number 15 in long story section under that, what the middle class expect from this budget. On page number 16 in Mint's money section under that, how section 80C of IT Act has fallen out of science since with inflation. Next, how do I claim gratuity from an ex-employer? On page number 17 in view section under that, an economic overview that scores on ConJC. Next, the economic survey growth forecast is a little too optimistic. Next, a fair deal for bank depositors can aid over bond market. On page number 18 in view section under that, India's economy survey has got back to its true and tested format. Next, Toyota needs its new chief to tell an electrifying brand story. Next, expect action on our aim of carbon neutrality by 2070. On page number 19 in sports section under that, Australian Open 2023 a comeback and a farewell. Next, why are Indian batsmen failing against spin bowling? That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.